Okay, let's look at example A first. We have a triangular prism. A diagram of a triangular prism is shown. What is the volume of the triangular prism in cubic inches? Okay, remember volume is cubic units, so this is inches, it's going to be cubic inches. Okay, so this is just like the prisms, or at least it's going to start out that same way. The formula for a prism, the volume of any prism, is volume equals big B, which is the area of the base. Big B, which is the area of the base, times the height. Now, this is going to be a little weird. Triangular prisms always are because they're not sitting on their base. A lot of times you think base has to be the bottom and height has to be up and down. But it's not always that way. Okay, they are basically just turning it on its side. Remember, for a prism, the bases have to be two shapes that are parallel from each other and are exactly the same. So on this one, the base, or the bases, are the front and the back. Okay, and that means that the height of the prism is right here. Okay, if that's really weird for you, then just imagine that it was sitting up on its base and somebody just knocked it over. Alright, so now we need to find, before we can do this, we need to find the area of the base. Well, the area of the base, the area, what shape is that? That is a triangle. So we need to use the formula for the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 times base times height. So that's 1/2 times the base of this triangle is 8, and the height of this triangle is 5. Okay, this information over here, this little 7 inches, that right there, that's called the slant height, and that is extra information. They put that there to confuse you. We're not going to use that 7 at all. Okay, so now I need to finish finding the area of the base. I like to get rid of that fraction. It's 1/2. If there's an even number, I can just cut it in half, and yes, 8. Half of 8 is 4. And now that fraction's gone, and I'm left with something nice and easy. It's just 4 times 5, which is 20. So this big B equals 20. Big B, again, is the area of the base. That is going to come, and it's going to go right there where that big B is. The area of the base is 20, and the height of the prism is right here, 10. Okay, the height is really defined as the line that connects the two bases. Okay, height doesn't have to be up and down. It's just the line or the edge that connects these two bases. Alright, so now my volume is just 20 times 10, which is 200. Okay, so my volume equals 200 inches cubed. Do not forget the 1/2. That is the biggest or most popular mistake that students make. That's what happens most of the time. If they get it wrong, that's why. So please don't be one of those people that makes that mistake. All right, go ahead and do your turn number 1.